Whew. Had to fight with that door to get up here. Latch is busted. Oh, we got an exhaust fan that's down. Huh, he says it's not working, but I think Mikey showed up too. I think it's this one. Or is it this one? That one's running. That one's running. I think this is... I don't know what that one's for. What the heck? Interesting. Let's see.
Problems?
I don't know, he says it's not working, but I just don't think it's spinning up to speed here. Maybe it needs a belt or something. You got both of them up?
Yep.
Yeah, so you go.
On my truck.
Oh, it's hot. Let's see. And
AP20.
A20. A20. That belt's really loose. I don't know. I might have a 20 on the truck. I don't know.
There's a good chance I do too.
I'll go look and let's pulley's a little polished. Let me go see if we got the belts. Dude, we got a brand new belt sitting in right in the bottom. Brand spanking new. Look at that. Not even used. I think I put this up here last time. Stay right there. Don't look like that's the right size belt. Well, maybe it is. Maybe. Oh, wow. Oh, that's hot. A little tight, but not too bad. Let's see. Oh yeah, now she's rolling. Yeah, because I think we've done maintenance on these before and I bought extra belts. There was a brand new belt up here, Mike.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was gonna say you have 825, but that works. This is the best I had.
Yeah, there was a brand new belt sitting there because we've done maintenance up here, and I'll buy extra belts.
Perfect.
There we go.
Bearings seem okay.
Just rolling now. You know what? Let's just check these other ones while we're here.
I was gonna say too, I got my grease gun, but I don't know where I don't see it.
Oh, it's sealed. Alright, we're gonna check some other ones too. Let this one rolling. We just changed the belts on all 4 of them. I had the belts on, well, I had some belts on the truck and we just adjusted it. Carry some spare belts on the truck for exhaust fans. Not anymore because I ran out. Quite uneventful there. I thought I was getting into maybe change a blower motor, something, but they said that that one fan all the way at the end, that first fan, for some reason keeps on eating belts. So I don't know if they're putting old belts on. I don't know. So what I told them is just, you know, we'll see what happens in a month and then we'll figure out what's going on from there. So I might have to replace the pulleys. They look pretty pretty shiny, let's put it that way, from that belt slipping on there. But yeah, we'll just go from there. There's not much to this video. Just did some belt changes. You know, while you're up there, you might as well look at all the rest of them because they're going to call you back. Because he was only worried about the one, but the other 3 needed belts too. So easy, not a big deal. Alright guys, you know what you need to do, hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo. Like I said, I haven't been working that much, so anything helps with, you know, with my son's cancer. It is May 10th. We're going into surgery June 7th, so off work for a little while too. So like, subscribe, comments, concerns, throw them in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one.